The largest animal in the world. In terms of absolute size, the blue whale is the largest animal alive today and the largest animal ever to have lived, with a body length of about 30 meters, in other words 98 feet, and an average weight of about 180 tons, in other words 1,80,000 kilograms. Blue whales are also the heaviest mammals. Only their heart can weigh as much as the size of a car, and their tongue can weigh as much as an elephant. A newborn blue whale weighs about 3 tons, and the largest blue whale ever recorded was an astonishing 190 tons. The largest land animal. The African bush elephant is the largest land mammal in the world and the largest of the 3 species of elephants. Adults measure up to 24 feet in length and 13 feet in height and weigh up to 11 tons, in other words 11,000 kilograms. The largest elephant on record was an adult male African savanna bush elephant. It weighed about 10,886 kilograms and stood 13 feet tall at the shoulder. Most elephants are not that big, but African elephants are larger than Asian elephants. The largest bird in the world. The common ostrich is the tallest and heaviest bird in the world, with an average height of 2 meters, that is 6.5 feet, and sometimes up to 2.7 meters, that is about 8.8 feet, and a weight of up to 160 kilograms. At this size, the ostrich is undoubtedly flightless but can overturn many animals with a top speed of 69 kilometers per hour. Their long, powerful legs double as defensive weapons, delivering a powerful kick to predators. These bulky animals are able to survive for days without water, producing water internally and extracting water from plants.